Well, hello, you guys. This is Jeanette with Inspirational Design, and today is Monday, and I'm going to put this video up on Thursday of this week. And it's a gloomy day, so we have to look over the lighting here in the kitchen, and I'm still trying to work on my new camera and figure all that out. But anyways, until then, we're filming with my phone, and I know y'all don't mind that. Well, I'm starting this project, and I think it's going to really turn out good. It's a magazine carrier. You put your magazines in, and it's really old. It's beat up. I got it out of my storage in the back here, and I am going to turn it into a baker's rack, okay? So I'm going to show you me taking it apart, and then I got to figure out how to do this. But I have an idea, and we'll see if it'll work. It's going to be a small baker's rack, and I'm going to keep it on the kitchen counter or maybe here in the center island to put my plates and things in. So we're going to turn the camera so you guys can see what I'm talking about. See? Here it is. It's old, as I said, beat up, and I got to take it apart and rebuild it. But what I like about this is the legs. Look at the legs on that. And the corners of it. See, that's what I said. Boy, I could build a small little baker rack, and I'm excited about it, you guys, because you know, I like baker's racks to keep my dishes on them, the plates. It'd be one shelf here and then the bottom shelf, because if I want to put something high right in here, then I can. I could make a 3 shelf out of it. You know, but that doesn't give me enough room for bows or cups or whatever I might want to do with it. So we'll see, okay? Y'all are doing this with me. I've never done this one before. So we're doing this together. And, you know, hopefully you guys will hang in there and watch this video. I'd appreciate it. Okay, let's get started. Now, here's the nail already out. I won't do a lot of talking, okay? We'll just tear it apart. I'm using a hammer and some of these nose pliers, you know, and I got to cut a metal strip off right here in the center. So let's get started. All right, this is all I'm using. I hope it'll work, y'all. Now, look over me beating it to death, because I don't even know if I can get it off that way. Like I said, let's start here. Let's start here in this. This is really hard to get out. I don't want to beat it all up. I'll start pulling it out like that and clip that. And this piece of wire, I can keep it for a craft. Maybe, if I can get it out good. Now, there, we got it. Now, this has been damp outside in the storage, so I'm going to try to slip this out here. Let's see what's holding it at the bottom. I don't see any screws or anything. All right. I want you guys to see the beginning of my project. Look, here's the center. We took it out. Now see there, this could be used as a shelf, but I think it's kind of damaged, so we won't use that. Might keep it for something else. Take it apart and make a sign out of it, y'all. That would be pretty with the handle. So that'd be a piece to maybe keep. We don't know for sure, but we'll see what I come up with. And I hope the rest of it will come out as easy as that piece did. look at that. I got this out. See? Wow, we're gonna have to really think about this, aren't we? But once I get this out, and I don't want to damage the wood too much, but then again, I like the old rustic beat up stuff, so it at least gives it character. Goodness, y'all, you would have felt sorry for me. I promise. I got it apart. Okay, see the little grooves in this spindles? They glue them in. Now, the wood was soft, but I had to heat up that with a gun to get these apart. So, anyhow, look how pretty the spindles are. I like the legs at the end, and that's why this would be the baker's rack. I think it'd be cute. But I wanted to show you that I did do it, and if I had the proper tools where something could have held this real tight for me as I was taking these pieces of wood off, you know, the woods pieces there. I don't have that. Something real hard, you know, what do you call them, tools? But anyhow, I just did what I could do with my hands and hammer, and I did get this out, okay? Putty knife, because I had to push down in there to get that out. I want to just explain it to you, so in case you don't have the proper tools as well, okay? Now, I'm going to clean up this mess, and then I'll get back with you guys again, because look at this. This is a mess. I wanted to save these pieces, but I didn't get to. I had to bust them apart to get them out. See there? But anyhow, I'll get back with you, okay? And see you in a few. Well, looky here. Here's how it turned out. So this is called a baker's rack. It's small. It's for countertops. And this is how it turned out, you guys. It was a magazine holder for magazines. And I just turned it into a small baker rack. And I like the old beat up look on it. Y'all, like I said, I love this part. So this is what I did. This is how it turned out. And I just think it's adorable. I'd love to find some more magazine carriers to make some little racks and sell them in my booth. Wouldn't y'all like to buy one of them? But I want to decorate this and show you. Now, you can use this anywhere in your house, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, living room, den, you just name it, your pantry, you name it, you guys, you can use this anywhere. That is, if you like the cottage look and the farmhouse look. You know, everybody may not really like this, but I do. So over here is some of the things I'm going to use to decorate it with. Okay? First of all, we're going to put these plates, which I got these plates at a thrift store, and I really love them. And I says, well, one day I'll make me a little baker's rack to use these on. So we're going to stack these here on the rack. And I'm going to put this little creamer type thing, little white one, and I'm going to stack it up here. See why I only made the 2 shelves? Because I got that height, as I was telling y'all. I could have put it into 3, but I just think it turned out perfect. It's perfect. It's meant to be. So instead of throwing this away, it just turned out perfect, y'all. Okay, now let's put these at the top. These big plates, dinner plates at the top. I really like them as well. Now I'm going to be using this in the kitchen, you guys. So this is where this you know, this is going to go. And I'll do a short video on it and show you guys where I place it and what I'm really going to use in it. I could use what I'm doing right now because it's going to be really cute. You guys, you'll see. Now here's a bow that I got at my antique store, and I love it. So that turned out real cute, brown. It matches the baker's rack. And I got these little bows. I don't know if they're, here's one of them. Let's see if I got that turn right. Yeah. And I don't know what these are for desserts or like little, you know, peach cobblers you can use them for at a restaurant. I just love them. And I got these at Habitat in Cleveland, Tennessee. And I just love them. Y'all, I think these little things are cute. So, anyhow, let's straighten that up. This is just a small example to show you guys how pretty this little rack's going to turn out. Now, back in the day, baker racks were for like pies and things. They would put their pies when they, you know, the factories, they would put their pies and things on them to cool them off as they bake pies. So, look how cute that is. And I got this flower at the Dollar General store. I believe so. And I just paid a little bit for that. But I thought, I gotta pick that up. I love that. So there you guys go. Here's what, I'll back up here. Here's what it looks like. Now, I don't know where in the kitchen I'm gonna put this, but like I said, I'll put a short video up. So, I hope that you guys like this. You know, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment on what you think about it. How it turned out. You guys have a good day, and thank you, new subscribers. And there's a lot of little things going on here of thrifting and of music. I even let my husband put up music on my videos. So just different things like that, you guys, where I'm at, where I'm going. So if you like this kind of contents, you know, subscribe. If you're new around here and you're just looking at this video, just subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. And, you know, share it and leave me a lot of comments. I do love to hear comments. And I will talk to you guys later, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye.